I'm Leah from Leah's Cookbook Ideas, and today I'm going to show you how to make rice paper rolls. Okay, so let's go. Alright, so I've got some rice paper from Coles, and all you do is open the rice paper, get one out, and I'm going to show you how to construct it. Okay, so you get your rice paper, and I put it on warm, and I put it underneath the water, like so, till it's nice and bendy. I like keep turning it over till I think it's enough. Shake it off, put it on the plate, like that. Okay, so now I have got my sawtooth coriander from my garden. I also have some parsley and some Vietnamese mint. And here I've chopped up some barbecue chicken. You could use any chicken or any vegetable that you like. I also have some cucumber, some tomato, some cabbage, some carrot and some avocado. And here I've got some rice noodles that I've pre-cooked. You soak them and pre-cook them so it makes it easier. So now I get my Vietnamese mint and I put it on here nicely with some sawtooth coriander, and then I get my noodles and I spread it out like this, like that. And then you can take your time because there's no rush. So then you put your chicken here like this, and then I line up my tomato and my carrot, my piece of avocado, and then I get my cucumber. Right, so it's nicely displayed, and you get the back of it. You pull the back and put it towards the front and let it touch the other side of the rice paper like that, so it's touching. So then you fold one side and then you fold the other side over, and then you roll tightly like this with nice firm grip. And roll. And you can see the mint and the coriander on this side, and then we'll just put it nicely here. And then I'll do it one more time for you. So you get your rice paper, put it under with warm water, so it's nice and flexible when you go to use it. Warm water, I like warm water for about 20 seconds or so until you're happy and it's nice and bendy. See? Nice and bendy. You can see, kind of see through it. So then you put it on the plate. Okay, no need to be in a rush. Okay, so I've got my sawtooth coriander in the middle. I have my 2 pieces of Vietnamese mint going down. And then I get my rice noodles that I have here. Place them there nicely. Then I get my chicken, put my chicken here, like that. And then my piece of avocado, and then my tomato on, like that. Bit of cabbage, cucumber, and there we go. You can even season it if you wanted to. Okay, so like I said, you grab the back of the rice paper, and it should be nice and pliable now. You pull it up, and then you pull it over to the other side so it's touching the other side of the rice paper like that. So it's touching. Okay, so then you fold one side, and it should be nice and sticky as well. And then you fold the other side, like so. And then you tightly roll it. Look, I'll put my plate up like that so you can see. So you're tightly squeezing and rolling at the same time rolling, 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 rolling. Whoops. Rolling till it's nice and tight like that. Okay, so then there you go, like that. And so I've got some dipping sauces that I've got here. I've got sweet chili tonkatsu sauce, and I've got some Vietnamese mint dipping sauce in my little 3 section sauce container that I like to dip on mine in. And then for an extra bit of flavour, I like to use this Kobe Japanese mayonnaise, and I put it over there like this because I love this mayonnaise, and so does my son. And so there you have it. Gonna show you what they're like, so they're nice and tight. I'm gonna dip it in the sweet chili sauce. Delicious. So if you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time for another fun video. Thanks. Cheers. Delicious. Yum.